Mobility gap assessment to understand the root cause. Based on this and inputs from various departments, a blueprint to decongest Shillong was prepared, which has listed out short, medium and long-term interventions to ease traffic congestion. C. A multi-departmental committee headed by Chief Secretary called the Shillong Decongestion Committee has also been notified to monitor the progress of the interventions listed in the blueprint. The committee has convened various meetings to monitor the progress.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I interrupt under rule? The question answer is very long. Can you place the table of the house?
Yes, sir. I'm happy to place on the table of the house.
Good to see you.
So, let me ask you supplementary questions.
Sir, all my supplementaries are already answered here. But let me refer to this, the budget speech made by the Honorable Chief Minister and